All right, here's a quick video on how to generate a voided check for your bank account. Um, Voided checks are great tools since nowadays most people don't keep a physical checkbook with them. This is a great tool to generate a voided check. You might need a voided check to authorize a direct deposit for a merchant account or a variety of other things. So this just be a quick, helpful walkthrough on how to make one for no cost. So first step, best website we found is just go to extravaluechecks.com. From there, it should take you to this page. I usually just do the value price checks. We'll click on that, and then we can select any one of these. Really doesn't make a difference. I'll just hit the yellow safety checks. Once you selected the check, you're just going to want to hit add to cart, and it should take you to this page. So you could do this on a computer or even on a phone. Um, Phone would just be laid out a little differently, but all the steps will remain the same. So what we're going to do here is just basically fill out the information for your bank account so we can generate a preview of the voided check. First step is line one. Line one, if you're using a personal account, is just going to be your first and last name. So we'll say Thomas Smith, for example. Now, if it's a business account, it'll be the business name. So Tom's Metalsmithing. Line two is going to be the address, so the street address. So 5303 Slater Street. Um, and then line three, we're going to go ahead and put in the county, state, and city. County, state, and zip code. So I'm just filling out fake information for the sake of this walkthrough. And you should see here at the bottom, it's going to be filling out the information as you go along. That's all you need for this part. Jump into account information. This is pretty self-explanatory. So first thing we'll put in is going to be the bank name. So we'll do Navy Federal Credit Union. It's going to ask for the bank address as well. Now, it doesn't need to be the exact branch that you bank at. It could just be any existing address for one of the branches for your bank. So if I look up, Navy Federal Credit Union near me, it should show me a bunch of these. And I can basically just take this info and copy and paste it, run it to the bank address section. So just like the last one, first one's street address, and then the second one's going to be the county, state, and city. Final part here is just going to be the routing and account number. Both of this information you should be able to get from your banking app. If you don't have a banking app, you should be able to call your local bank teller, verify information, and they can give you that number over your phone. So routing number, I'll throw that in. Same with the account number. And then final thing it asks for is the starting check. This could just be any 3-digit number. So 111 or 123, whatever you want it to be. Once this is done here, you should have a preview of this. If you're on a computer, you can right click it, save the image, and then send it off. If you're on your phone, you could of course just screenshot this photo and that'll work just as fine too. But that's where you're done. Again, no need to actually buy anything here. We can just kind of use this system to create a preview of the voided check, and that'll work just fine. But that's how we walk through making a check.